So hey, myself Rajasthan Gupta and I am from Team Interrupt. So we are building a smart Naka, tracking vehicles smartly. So here's our team. I am Rajasthan Gupta. Along with me, I have Devajit Shaha, Roshan Kumar, and Krishna Nanda. So let's see the problem statement first. There is a database of stolen vehicles in the Vahan portal maintained by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways Government of India. We need to create a mobile app integrated with Vahan portal through API so that a constable executing at Naka can check the details of the vehicle in the mobile in real time. Let's break down this problem. Identifying a stolen car manually takes up a lot of manpower and time. It's not possible to track the stolen vehicle at every checkpost and get real-time updates. Missing diary is recorded manually and it takes a lot of time to notify and deliver to all the police officers. It takes a lot of time and manual work to process the data of stolen cars to the field officer. Let's see some facts. In 2021, only a total of 2.4 lakhs cars were stolen, worth rupees 16,000 crores almost. Over 7 lakh 45,000 vehicles have been stolen in the first three quarters of 2022. In 2021, private car theft rate in India was 17.9 cases per 1 lakh population. So let's see our vision. Reduce the stolen car metrics to the level 0. Automate the identification process that will reduce the human hassle. Build an architecture for faster computation through the process. Let's see the solution what we have built. So identifying the stolen car automatically in real time. How we are doing that? So validating the car license, number of identifying the fake license, and the second point is identifying the stolen car by detecting the car number and checking it with stolen car database. And the third point, to ensure everything, we are identifying stolen car details by car model and car color as well. If this 3 point matches, then we can say, okay, this is a stolen car. Now, how are you implementing this? We are implementing this using the camera module, which we will show you later, which is actually using YOLO v5 and also using OpenCV and Tesseract with some Python and some database caching. We are implementing this whole surveillance camera setup. Now let's see the second problem. It is tracking the stolen vehicles at every checkpost. So installing the surveillance cameras with our trained model at every checkpost will be necessary. Verifying the car accurately with number plate detection, car model detection in real time. Tracking the suspicious car at every checkpost and send push notification to all the police officers to the nearby checkpost will be happening in real time. Now let's see how we are implementing this. This is the whole system. So the camera module is still there. A notification from the camera module is pushed to the all nearby police station. Everything is set up using AWS Lambda function and SNS services, which are highly scalable. So we can actually go up to 10 lakhs to 1 crore notifications per minute. Now the next problem is missing diary is recorded manually and it takes too much time to notify and deliver to all the police officers. So how we are reducing it? A police officer now can add a missing diary through our app, which is fast, reliable and secure. Added data will be delivered to the police officer within 800 milliseconds of adding so that they can act quickly. Also, all the camera modules in our system will get that in 800 milliseconds after registering a missing diary of a car. Now how we are implementing this caching system? So all the stolen card database, if something is changes, a DynamoDB stream triggers and it triggers a Lambda function which actually triggers a SNS topic which our all the local databases are listening to, and all this thing happens in 800 milliseconds and it caches the whole data in our different camera local camera modules, which will actually reduce the cost by 100 times and also making the caching faster and reads more faster. Now, the next problem is it takes a lot of time and manual work to process the data of stolen cars to the field officer. Filter of the stolen car with the key, police station and number of details is very easy with our app. This data will be used for the on-field officers and they will get rid of physical records. Now how we are implementing is very easy using some Lambda functions and CRUD operations from our database DynamoDB which we have. Now this is all the tech stack we are actually using for this one. Now let's see a demo of the application. So this is the camera module. You can see that now a car movie comes in. So there is a car coming in. It detects the car and you can say it sends a notification. So there is a notification that alert this card is found. So okay, so you can click on the notification and it will open up the page of the card, like which card is getting checked or like which card is stolen.
So this app is specially accessible to police officers. So after authorizing with their police IDs, they will come up to this page. So there are four main features here. So first I will go with the scan feature. After scanning it, so now I have to scan any car with its number plate. So this is a dummy car number plate for now. If I scan it, so yeah, let me click on check details. So as you can see, like the model name, car number, owner name, address, registration number, insurance name, all the details have been showing here. So yeah, after that there is also a feature called previous records. So suppose I am a police officer and I want to see that the records of the Belpuria police station within 800 days last. So I can see like these are the cars which have been stolen in the past 800 days. So I can act accordingly. Yeah, after that there is also a feature called missing diary. So it's been a hassle to maintain all the paperwork while recording a diary for a police. So what we have done is like we have a police can add all the details and like by clicking this add missing diary button, like that showing car details have automatically added to the database and it will be added real time, so that if any car will be caught in the surveillance camera we can take quick action. Apart from that, we have also have a feature called track a car. So if we enter the car number here and if I click on search, I can see all the details of the car. As you can see, like the car has been rendered, and we can also see the tracking history, like when the car has been spotted in the previous places, like and when, so that it can be easily tracked and suspicious activities can be redeemed. Okay? So yeah, this is the thing. We also have a small profile section where the details of the police officers will be there. So that's it.
So this is the demo. Hope you like it. The impact we are creating is the next big thing. Completely automating the process of identifying a stolen car is a really big deal, and it will reduce a lot of hassle for the government. Stolen vehicles now can easily be tracked at different checkpoints, and that too even much more faster. At tolls and Nakas, it can be identified within seconds. Using our mobile applications, missing diary can be filed easily, and within 800 milliseconds, all the cameras under it will know which car to track. The architecture allows it to sync through all the systems within just few seconds. The target market. The app is mainly built to help government to tackle this issue, and also it aims at police officers whose work will be really easy after this thing is implemented all over India. Now let's see our future projection. Our main goal is to improve the detection model so that we can detect also the car model. Now we'll be also adding image optimization with deep learning, which will be actually helping us to detect the cars in rainy weathers and so on. We'll improve the data flow and the speed of the application, and we'll try to reduce it from 800 milliseconds to 500 or even 400 milliseconds. And we're also going to improve the stability of the notifications and the overall experience. So this is it from our side. Thank you and hope to win this hackathon.